Hello everybody, I'm working on my Porsche Cayenne 2012 with VR6. The kilometer is about 150,000 kilometers. I'm working on the engine mount. So right now is a new mount on the left side. On the right side, I haven't changed because right side is much easier. So I just want to share something with my experience about this. First of all, let's see the old mount and new mount. Let's compare them. It's about 1 centimeter difference. Okay, so working on this is not easy. The first thing I think we need to remove the air box of the intake. So to remove this, we need to remove the liner like this here and everything here. So the most important thing is this. This is the bolt to fix this pipe. This pipe is very important because it is very tight. It's an AC pipe, I think. It's very tight. If you don't lose this, it's not possible to lift the engine to the height you need. Okay. That's a very easy job because you may use a crane. I use the crane to lift it, but I found the crane is on the right side. So if it works, it will tilt the engine like this. So I use a tie down to connect here to drag the whole engine to the right side. Yeah, the tie down is connected to the wheel. Okay, I think that's all the trick. To do this, you will do it much easier. That's not a hard job, but you need many times. Need 3 or 4 hours to do that. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.